Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Cleanse the area thoroughly with 70% alcohol so the thread grips and bacteria stay away. Pick a 100% cotton thread about 0.5 1 mm thick and tie a 10-12 inch loop. This size gives control. Hold the skin taut with one hand and position the twisted center of the loop at the hair base. Once aligned, anchor the loop with your fingertips and use short, confident pulls to trap and lift hairs. This is how you set up effective removal. Now refine the motion. Form a clear twisted X in the thread center and rotate 1 to 2 turns to create the grabbing point. Make sure you work in small 1/4 to 1/2 inch sections so you maintain precision and minimize pain. This helps shape brows accurately. Keep the thread angled roughly 30 to 45 degrees and use short wrist flicks to roll the twist. Don't swing your whole arm. Once done on one strip, check for missed hairs and repeat in adjacent sections. Finish by calming the skin. Apply a cold compress for 2 to 5 minutes, then a thin layer of aloe or antiseptic like tea tree oil so pores close and redness fades. Make a final check and tweeze any isolated missed hairs rather than rethreading the whole area. Small corrections protect the skin. If you encounter excessive bleeding, a lot of pain, or an obvious infection, stop immediately. Apply firm pressure, clean, and see a professional if it doesn't improve within 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.